Welcome to Beautyistic, where skincare isn't just a routine, it's a ritual rooted in science, self-care, and savvy decisions. If your skin's been crying out for help, tight, flaky, maybe a little red around the edges, you're not alone. And that's exactly why I put the BYOMA Hydrating Serum to the test, to see if it's truly the skin-soothing, barrier-boosting hero it claims to be. Now, this is a 1.1-ounce lightweight facial serum designed to deeply hydrate, nourish, and reinforce the skin barrier. At its core is BYOMA's signature Tri-Ceramide Complex, a smart blend of ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, combined with skin-loving staples like Squalane and Glycerin. Together, they aim to flood your skin with moisture and reduce trans-epidermal water loss, aka the sneaky culprit behind chronic dryness. Oh, and did I mention it's alcohol-free, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and vegan? Yeah, BYOMA didn't cut corners on formulation. So, what happened when I introduced it into my skincare routine? I started using it both morning and night after cleansing, applying it to damp skin, and sealing it in with a moisturizer. The serum has a water-light gel texture that absorbs fast without feeling sticky, an immediate win for anyone layering multiple products. It's genuinely fuss-free and plays well with both active, heavy routines and minimalistic ones. Now here's where it really shines. Within just a few uses, my skin started feeling noticeably smoother with fewer dry patches around my mouth and cheeks. Redness? Definitely toned down. And it gave my skin this soft, bouncy finish. Not greasy, not overly dewy, just healthy. If you're someone who struggles with a compromised barrier, this felt like a protective cushion without any weight. Of course, no product is perfect. Let's talk pros first. It's formulated intelligently with barrier-repairing ceramides and hydrating agents that work synergistically. The price point is accessible compared to many barrier serums, and its non-irritating, fragrance-free base makes it a safe bet for even sensitive skin types. Plus, the pump packaging is hygienic and dispenses just the right amount. On the downside, if you're looking for instant glass skin or a super rich serum feel, this might come off as too subtle. It's more of a slow and steady kind of product. Its strength lies in consistency over time, not flashy overnight results. Also, for very dry skin types, especially in colder climates, you'll still need to follow up with a thicker occlusive moisturizer to fully lock things in. Quick pause here. Is this review helpful to you? If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a drop of skincare truth. Your support helps us stay honest and ingredient deep. Back to the serum. In terms of value for money, I'd say BYOMA nails it. For under what many barrier repair serums cost, you're getting a dermatologist-approved ingredient-conscious formula that actually performs. No overhyped filler ingredients here, just solid, skin-identical lipids and humectants that deliver on the hydration front. Compared to other options like Dr. Jart Plus Ceramidin or Skin Fix Barrier Plus Serum, BYOMA offers a far more affordable, everyday alternative without cutting key corners. The packaging itself is also worth mentioning. It's sturdy, colorful, a signature BYOMA touch, and recyclable. Bonus points for sustainability and user-friendly design. While I haven't had personal interactions with their customer service, the brand has a growing reputation for transparency and fast responses, especially when it comes to ingredient sourcing and formulation questions. And let's talk longevity. A single pump covers the face, so that 1.01 phthalates lasts surprisingly long. I've used mine twice daily for nearly 3 weeks, and I'm only a third through the bottle. The formula remains stable even when stored in a bathroom, and there's been no oxidation or separation so far, so yes, good shelf life. If I had to suggest an alternative, The Ordinary's Natural Moisturizing Factors HA could work if you're on a tighter budget, but you'll be missing that strategic ceramide complex and elegant texture. So while cheaper options exist, few match BYOMA's unique blend of ingredients, skin compatibility, and lightweight wear. So here's my final verdict. If your skin barrier is stressed, your face feels tight, or your moisturizer just isn't enough, this is one serum that genuinely leads skin health without irritating it further. It's not a miracle product, but it's a smart one. Calm, gentle, effective. Best suited for those with dry, sensitive, or dehydrated skin, and especially those new to barrier repair who want results without the drama. Thanks for spending time with me here on Beautyistic. If you've tried the BYOMA Hydrating Serum, drop a comment below and share your experience. Every skin story matters. You'll find the link to purchase it down in the description box. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.